Uma and I'm a junior at OHS. A fun fact about me is that I love to drink tea. Today I'm going to show you how to make some. To make tea, you will need a teacup, a tea bag, and some boiling water. I made peppermint tea and blueberry tea, but you can use any tea bag that you want. Just make sure to check with your parents that it's caffeine-free. Make sure you have parent supervision when you're boiling hot water. You can use your stove to boil water or a kettle like I did. While you wait for your water to boil, you can put your tea bag in your teacup. When your water's finished boiling, ask a parent to help you pour water into your teacup. Let your tea sit for 2 to 5 minutes. When it's dark in color, carefully use a spoon to take out the tea bags. Make sure you let it cool for a few minutes and then you can drink it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep reading and learning.